What's up, you guys? Boy, amazing prosper. How you guys doing? So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys how I'm trading a ProFirm account. Yeah, this is just a $5,000 account that I bought from Funding Pips. Yeah, Funding Pips is one of the best ProFirm accounts you can get out there right now because I love how their system is working. So I'm trading a $5,000 account from them. Pay attention to what I'm going to say. Forex trading is not for everyone. So if you are planning to be a Forex trader, you have to believe and trust the process. You have to know that this game is a long time game. Don't let anybody shut you down. Don't let anybody make you feel like you're not going to be successful. No matter what is happening or no matter what happened yesterday, today is a brand new day to make a new decision and to say to yourself, I'm going to commit to the game. I'm going to believe and I'm going to do whatever that is going to take for me to be successful in this game. This game is not easy. Yeah, I believe it, I know it, but you have to know that no matter how it is, you are the one that is going to make it happen for yourself. Nobody is coming. So this $5,000 account, I showed you guys the profit I made last week. And so guys, welcome. Yeah, so trading is sweet, and if you know how to trade, you will enjoy trading. And if you don't know how to trade, you still have opportunity to learn how to trade. Yeah, so the reason why I love trading nowadays is the opportunity in trading is available to everybody. No matter where you are, no matter how broke or how poor you think you are, you can become rich by just learning how to trade. Yes, you can become rich by just learning how to trade. And the beautiful thing about trading is that you don't require a mentor to learn how to trade. But if you want to go far, remember the quote or the saying that goes, if you want to go fast, you go alone. If you want to go far, you go with someone or you go with a team. So trading, if you want to go far in this game, you need to get a mentor. You need to get someone that can hold you by hands and lead you to where you need to be. So so far so good. I have been in a case of people trying to say, okay, can I possibly teach them how to trade or something like that? I'll advise them, yeah, I can teach you how to trade, but I really want you to understand that someone teaching you how to trade will help you go far, but when it comes to forex trading, you are the one who is going to make it happen. You are the one who is going to face your fears. You are the one who is going to face your greed, battle with your emotion, sacrifice a lot of time, and always practice. Yeah, you need to practice every single moment, because if you don't practice about it, you can never be perfect. Yeah, actually nobody is perfect on the chart. Nobody can get 100%, but with time you can get up to 60%. Yeah, 50% is okay. I know some people who made money 50%. Like if they lose 50% and made 50%, they are rich because their risk to reward is maybe 1:2. So they can lose 50% every time, but once they made that 50%, they are okay because their risk to reward will cover up the other 50% that they lost. So you have to really know that trading is a very hard work. Yeah, trading is a very hard work. So know this and know peace. Your capital is your bullet in the forex market. I have to repeat it. Your capital is your bullet in the forex market. If you don't know how to manage your capital, you're not gonna be good in the forex market. You're going to be complaining every time. So learn how to manage your capital, learn how to preserve your capital, and you'll be fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. You will start making money like massively. So now, without wasting much of your time, let's go to today's business. So I'm trading a funding account, like Funding Pips account. Yeah, they are pro firm. I'm trading a $5,000 account. You can get their profile with the link on the description below. They are okay. I like them because they are one of the best out there right now. No doubt they are one of the best out there right now, because I have seen some people who have gotten their payments from them, and they're using many platforms. They have CTrader, TradeLocker, and Match Trader. All those platforms, they have it. So the one that I'm using is TradeLocker. So I like TradeLocker because it's like I'm trading on TradingView. So and I can be able to calculate my loss and profit immediately when I'm getting in on a trade. So that's why I like them. So here is my rough work, how I traded last week. So let me quickly share with you guys how I traded before we go over to funding Pips account to see what I did or how the account is going at the moment. So this is how I traded last week. So here was the first trade that I took on Tuesday. So I entered this trade for a buy opportunity from this move. Here. Okay, hold on. Here, from here. So I entered this trade from here. I didn't make money from here, and I didn't lose money much because I closed up here. I didn't lose much. The market reversed against me, but this is one of the, let me say, worst thing that will happen to you in the market here. So the reason why I held this trade is I didn't believe that it's going to reverse like this. I think that it's still going to be going up here. So by then I didn't have this trend line. that is coming from the up. So I was thinking that the market is still going to be going up. Remember, we are in a bullish trend. So I didn't know that this thing is going to happen. So I held the trade. The market was going up, and I was happy. I saw a reasonable amount of blues, but I didn't close. Yeah. So this really reminds me what one of my teacher in the academy where I learned how to trade always say. He says that don't let any blues or don't let a reasonable blue turn to red. So I allowed this market to come back to hit my break even, and it was a painful thing. Like very, very painful thing that day. So, but it is what it is. It's part of the process. We learned that one. So the next thing was this one. So here was on Wednesday. So this trade was a trade that I wanted to sell. I sold. But nobody knows. I didn't post it on my Telegram. I post this one on my Telegram. If you go on my Telegram, you will see this one. I was buying here. I post, and every sitting as I always deliver. Whenever I'm doing anything, I will let you guys know. Okay, I'm selling, I'm buying, I'm doing this one. So this one I'm selling here. I sold. Yeah, I posted that I'm going to be looking for opportunity somewhere here. This was where my boss is. Somewhere here. So, but before then, the market was playing around here. You can see what it was doing here. You can see how the market was playing here. The market was playing around here, and I was sensing an opportunity to get in, and I got in. Literally, I got in, but I didn't make money here. I lost money. I closed out early. I was seeing that the move is not going to be in favor of sellers. Then I closed out. The next mistake that I did, which I hate and I will never repeat again, was here. I started seeing this move. Remember, initially I wanted to sell here. I wanted to sell on this boss, which is above this one where I entered the first one. So above the boss, I started seeing a move, and I was like, okay, is it that move that I wanted to do or wanted to take advantage, which is a sell opportunity? Because I saw that this one is a touch. I thought that this one is going to be maybe like a fourth one or even a third one, because I can count this one as two. Like here, I can count these ones as two. But here, I was thinking that this place is going to be another touch. This is where the market trapped me. So remember, I have already made a loss here. I've already lost some money here, which I close out. Upon this push up, and I was looking at this market, I said, okay, I'm going to sell this market from here, and I got in. Here, and I started seeing the move, and I close out. This market did not hit my stop loss. Pay attention to what I'm saying now. Oh yeah, let me show you something. This one, which is here, this one that I was selling here, my stop loss was 20 pips. It was here. So if I was holding this trade, I couldn't have entered this one. I could have been holding it to this stage, or possibly this thing will take me out. So if this thing took me out, I will lose $50 because I've already calculated the amount of money that I'm going to lose. It will be $50. But I know that, okay, I'm trading against the trend. Let me get out. I get out from here. I lost about 18 point something dollars. Then I started seeing this move again, and I got in again. Here was where I was trapped. Forex, when you are trading account, that's why I always tell people demo account and a live account is a very well different thing. A demo account, there is no emotion attached to it, but a live account or a pro firm account, there is emotion because this is a real money. you funded your money or you bought that account with your money. So there is a lot of emotion attached to it. That's why you don't have to dwell more on a demo account. You have to transit to a live account or a pro firm account for you to master the art of trading. You can't make $1 million from a demo account, but when you start doing a live account with time and practice, you are going to get better. So I will advise you, no matter what you are doing, get a real account or a pro firm account so that you can master your emotion in this game. This is a game of probability, and if you want to say, or if you say you are a trader, you have to be really trading. You have to have a pro firm or a live account. So I prefer live account because there's also some certain things that I'm going to tell you now here. So before this move, this was a news. No, this one wasn't in news. This one wasn't news. This one wasn't news. Okay, actually it was news, but it happened before the news time. Here was on Wednesday. It happened before the FOMO news that happened on Wednesday, because the news was around 3 o'clock. This pump up was around 2:30. So after I saw this move, and I noticed that the bulls are taking charge of this market, because if you can see very well, you can see that the bears, they are not winning at all. You can see how the market was rejecting this place. Then here I say, okay, this thing has turned to a resistance turned support. So I need to exit, and I exit my trade. I will show you that. Pay attention. So here was how it happened. So after I exit this trade, as somewhere here, then this pump. This is the market. I was shouting. I was like, bro, what is happening? Everywhere was crazy. And this market was dotting on my life account for a buy opportunity here. On that $3 account that I was trading, I show you dance. Yeah, I'll show you dance. I'm going to post it this week. Yeah, I got in here for a buy opportunity here. The reason why I didn't get in a buy opportunity on the pro firm was because Funding Pips has a rules that 5 minutes before the news or 5 minutes after the news, if you get in, they are not going to count the profit or the loss. And in some cases, if you get in and you blow the account, they're not going to refund you, or they're not going to say anything about it. The account is lost. Yeah, it's gone. So that was the reason why I didn't get in, because it's a pro firm account and they have some rules. And this is one thing you have to know about pro firm and the life account. So with life account, you don't have to obey all those rules. Your money is your money. Whatever you want to do with your money, that concerns you, or that is your business. So here I lost this. I close out from here. I have lost here and I lost here. So total was around $20 something, I think, thereabout. So on Wednesday I didn't trade again. So that was how I traded last week. I didn't trade again throughout last week again. So here I was on Thursday. So the market was moving, was not showing a real opportunity. Here, look at this boss. This boss was a boss that I put out that, okay, I saw a bounce here and another bounce, but I can't get in again because it was pro firm account. This was a news flash. So I can't even get in, because if I get in, I'm going to be disqualified or I'm going to lose the account. So no pro firm. There are pro firms, some of their rules, it's not okay for traders, but we can't do without them right now. So we have to pull out money from them to fund our own life account. That's why we are doing it, and that's why we are trading it. So this was another move. Here was a move. Here. I'm not satisfied with myself. I'm angry about this move, because I was seeing this move and I know that this market is going to buy, but I didn't take the advantage. I didn't make money from this move. But I draw these balls and I draw this move and I didn't make money from here. So honestly, I have to say the truth. The reason why I didn't make money from this place was I was thinking that this market has overbought. Like, bro, here supposed to be like, this market supposed to turn, like there's supposed to be maybe a little retracement to this zone, to this maybe around here. That was my thinking. I wasn't sure here. It wasn't clear, but look at what happened. The market was buying and going up to the upside here. So it is painful, but it is what it is. If it is not clear, it's my money, I stay. If it is clear, it's also my money, I get in. So that is how I trade last week. So let's go to the chart. Let's go to the account, the pro firm account. Let me show you guys what is happening over there. So this is the pro firm account. So this is the current price of the pro firm account. This is the current price here, 4,968. So I lost some about $38 plus, which Yeah, is it $32 plus, which I couldn't have lost if I took advantage of my emotion and obey my rules. I could not lose. I will not lose that money. But anyway, you see, profit minus 0.63%. I am down 0.63%. This is the account. You see, this is the daily loss limit. I have 248.44 left. So this is the max 468. That this is it. So profit target, this is what I need to get for me to pass the account. So look right here, average win 20.16, very low. Average loss $7.61 dollars. So here, remember last time my win ratio was 50%. Look at, I lost those trades because I was getting in and out and out. That was why this thing dropped to 18.18%. Very bad, very bad. I need to pull it up. Very bad. So let's see how this week is going to end. Yeah, I know that this week is going to be a very great week. Profit factor, not good, not good at all. So this is the trade. I want to show you guys that day. So look at that day. That day was here. Tuesday, okay, Wednesday and Thursday. You can see how it happened. I don't know why they counted it because I know that mistake was one day. I don't know how they divided it like this, but that mistake. Okay, actually, if they are saying it is like this, that means it is like this. So $15 and $20. That was how I lost that trade. Yeah. So I have to also repeat myself. Live accounts, Profem accounts, they are good more than a demo account. Don't dwell much on a demo account. Get a Profem or get a live account, because with them you can master your emotion and you can be good when trading. So that's all in this video. Thank you guys, and see you guys in the next week on this episode. So guys, that was how I traded. Yeah, so Profem account is something that you have to learn how to trade very well, because if you don't know, you're going to be losing your accounts always, because they have so many rules that guide them. You see, in this case, Funding Pips doesn't allow news trading. What they say is that they don't allow 5 minutes before the news or 5 minutes after the news. So that's the only thing that you have to obey by them. So if you don't obey those things, you are going to lose that account. So that was the reason why I didn't get in much last week, and I was seeing the opportunity to get in, but I don't decide to get in. I was watching them and know how the market was playing. So if you are new, please consider subscribing and turn your bell notification. Support me by liking this video, share this video to anyone. See you in the next video. Peace out.